Hey guys, Cuckoo is here. Welcome back to my channel. Here I show one of the best weight loss diet plan. If you are ready to follow this plan with your regular exercise, you can definitely reduce 1 or 2 kg in a week. I have customized this diet plan to suit Indian taste. I am using easily available and inexpensive ingredients. This is a completely sugarless diet plan. Early morning I prefer to drink flaxseed water. It is one of the magical drink of weight loss. Flaxseed provide a good amount of protein, fiber, omega-3 fatty acid. Flaxseed is one of the world's oldest crops. There are two types, brown and gold, both of which are equally nutritious. 1 tablespoon ground flaxseed contains 37 calories, 2 gram carbs. Flaxseed is particularly high in thiamine, a B vitamin that play a key role in energy metabolism. Grind required amount of flaxseed and make it as a fine powder. Add 1.5 teaspoon powder to glass. Add warm water. Squeeze half lemon for flavor and it enhances vitamin C. You can choose another way of intake. Mix the powder with yogurt, spread it in your salad, or soak in water overnight and have it, or add a tablespoon of ground flaxseed to your hot or cold breakfast cereal. There are different ways. Drink this once in a day while you are trying to lose weight. After 2 hours, I am preparing my healthy diet breakfast. Don't skip breakfast in diet day. Studies have found that although people who skip breakfast or eat slightly, they tend to have high body mass index. Here I choose morning meal is 2 egg, 1 toasted bread and 1 apple. Eggs increase your HDL level, which known as good cholesterol. People with a higher level of HDL are lower developing health problems. An average size of 2 egg contain only 148 calories. 1 toasted bread contain 89 calories. 1 medium size apple 95 calories. This is a perfect breakfast for diet day. Includes protein, carbs, vitamins, a good meal start. Around 11 or after 11 you must have a midday meal in diet day, a snack or a salad time. It is because of balancing the energy level. We are consuming less quantity meal in the morning, so having a midday snack or a salad balance energy level and feel fuller. I recommended this cucumber carrot salad. You can use the another healthy way too. Next, I show you how we can balancely eat lunch with rice. Rice is the main meal of our Indian cuisine, but rice is a rich source of carbohydrate. Although rice can be incorporated as part of regular diet, high carbs, low protein. Most of the Indians have craving to eat rice in lunchtime. The best way, include rice in healthy balanced diet. This means including variety of another nutrients-rich food with rice. Here I choose broccoli carrot salad. Broccoli is the nutritional powerhouse packed with essential vitamins, minerals and fiber. Carrots are super healthy. Carrots mostly recommended for adult women. Carrots is bright veggies also provide potassium, anti-inflammatory plant compounds. Adding half cup water and 2 minutes cook in oven give more taste. Quick way of boiling veggies. Here I choose very small cup rice, high amount of veggies as side and half cup fish curry for lunch meal. After 2 hours, I drank 1 glass green tea. It's good for digestive process. Drink green tea every day help lose weight and reduce risk of several diseases, including diabetes and heart diseases. The best time to drink green tea in morning 1-2 hours after breakfast or in the afternoon 2 hours after lunch. I choose ragi for dinner. It's very valuable food for weight loss diet plan. So I gonna make a instant ragi appam for dinner. Here I take 3 cup ragi powder and adding 3 cup water on it. Mix it well and make it as a smooth batter. Then half of the batter move to the grinder. Adding 5 tablespoons grated coconut. Add half teaspoon instant yeast and add 2 teaspoons sugar. Blend it well. Add the blended batter to leftover ragi batter. Mix all together. Check the consistency. It's not thick, not thin. It's a medium consistency. Keep it aside for 2 hours. In between, I prepare veg curry, side dish for ragi appam. After 2 hours, instant ragi appam batter is almost ready to make. There are various ways to add ragi to your daily diet for weight loss, which include ragi cookies, ragi dosha, ragi idli. Ragi feels fullness It reduces overall calorie intake. If you are ready to do this diet plan, same time you increase your physical activity. Diet and exercise are both important for optimal health. You can check my another diet related vlogs in description. Meet you soon with another video. Reply your comments. Thanks for watching.